Hi, here is Motion Technical Support. In last video, we learned how to use EtherCAT motion controller in Delta robotic arm. Then, today, let's see another application. How to use EtherCAT motion controller in UVW alignment platform. At first, see what is UVW platform. UVW platform is also called XXY platform or XYR alignment platform. It is one high-precision motion platform. So mainly for high-precision alignment platform. This platform belongs to three-axis parallel mechanism. It controls these three linear axes parallel motion to do rotation that takes any one plane point as the center. And do parallel motion in any direction. Then, it becomes one core technology in industrial automation. And it extremely suits to alignment with high precision. For motion, there are three common types of UVW robotic arm models. They are frame 33, frame 34, and frame 37. And they correspond to two structures, PRP and PPR. Two coordinate system directions, XYY and XXY. Through this, it can achieve single-axis linear motion. Two-axis linear interpolation, two-axis circular interpolation, space arc, and other complex motions. Okay, next, let's see these three one by one. See frame 33, PRP structure, XYY or XXY direction. For the motion method, please refer to these graphics. While axis U is moving, axis motion at X direction is done. Axis V and axis W are with same motion distance. Then axis motion at Y direction is done. Also, axis V and axis W are with same motion distance. At the same time, axis U moves. Then, axis motion at diagonal direction is done. In UVW 3-axis linkage, UVW are obtained different values given by special formula. Then do angle rotation. Next, see how to do frame 33 connection. Step 1. Determine the motor direction. Frame 33, virtual XY should meet right-hand rule. Please see this. It rotates from X positive to Y positive, which means it meets the right-hand rule. But for real motor axis, no requirement. Please fill in needed parameters. Step 2. Save parameters into table. This form shows frame 33 needed parameters. Fill in them in order. It can be seen there are 7 parameters in total. First one, axis U distance. That is, the vertical distance from origin to axis U. Then, same principles, axis V distance, axis W distance. The fourth one, the pulses in one circle. After that, 3 parameters about direction. Axis U direction, 0 means the direction is same as virtual axis positive. 1 means they are inverse. Then, axis V and W directions. Step 3, set joint axis and virtual axis parameters. For joint axis, UVW axis unit should be set as how many pulses in 1 mm motion. For virtual axis, X, Y can be set as 1000. Namely, it can be 3 digits after decimal part. For rotate axis units, it can be calculated through this. That is, pulses in 1 degree. Step 4. Determine origin position. It needs VW axes are horizontal. And any point can be as origin. After that, step 5. Build the connection. Same as delta application. Here, frame 33. Forward or inverse mode. Forward, 3 virtual axes are needed. Use command to connect. When connected, M-type will be 34, idle will be 0. At this time, operate joint axis in joint axis system. Virtual axis calculates the position in Cartesian coordinate system automatically. Forward, 3 joint axes are needed. Use command to connect. When connected, M-type will be 33, idle will be 0. At this time, operate virtual axis in Cartesian coordinate system. Then joint axis calculates how to do joint motion in joint system. Okay, basic knowledge is obtained. Let's operate it. Open ZDevelop or RTSys. Here shows the routine. Select frame 33. Fill in needed parameters. Set virtual axis and joint axis. Build the connection. Now, enter forward mode. It only can move joint axis. Corresponding end working point position will be calculated. Enter inverse mode. M type is 33. Now, operate virtual axis only. OK, see frame 34. It corresponds to PPR structure in XXY direction. For the building steps, same as 33, but with different parameters. Parameters are these. Axis distance from origin to each axis rotate center. Then, angles, pulses, and directions. Next, build the frame 34 connection. Back to ZDevelop. Select frame 34. Also, parameters filling in and configuration. In manual, do forward mode. M type is 34 now. Only joint axis can be operated. Virtual axis calculate position. Switch to inverse mode. M type is 33. At last, frame 37. PPR structure, YYX direction. Also, differ in parameters. Select frame 37. Forward. Inverse. All are with same rules. Okay, now, it is over. You can refer to corresponding article for more details. In our support, there are many different applications technical support. If you want to know more about our controller in your application, also can contact us. Well, thank you for your watching. And see you next video. Have a nice day.